Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I want to talk about a little bit more about the personal pronouns and how they adapt to the German cases. And here as well, colors will help us. If you want to see how I use colors in my course for beginners, just click on the first link down in the description. But now let's get started. I use the color green for the subject in the sentence and therefore the nominative case. So what is the first person singular? Quite simple. Ich, I. But let's look at an example sentence. Ich arbeite. I work. The person here is performing the action. But how does our pronoun change in the accusative? The direct object always gets the color blue and receives directly the action of the verb. And therefore, ich becomes mich. Here an example. Der Mann trifft mich. The man meets me. The background color here is red because the conjugation of the verb is irregular. Green would be regular. More about regular and irregular verbs can be found in 2 of our previous videos. Now let's see what happens in the dative case. Dative is orange and the indirect object. It receives the benefit or damage of the action. And here our first person singular pronoun is mir. Like in Der Mann hilft mir. The man helps me. I clearly have a benefit of the help from the man. So let's move on to the second person singular. Here the pronoun in the nominative is du. Du arbeitest. You work. Der Akkusativ ist dich. Der Mann trifft dich. The man meets you. And the dative is dir. Der Mann hilft dir. The man helps you. Now let's see the third person, and here we use 3 different genders. He in nominative is er. Er arbeitet. He works. The accusative changes to ihn. Der Mann trifft ihn. The man meets him. And the dative is ihm again. Der Mann hilft ihm. The man helps him. The neuter, it in nominative is es. Example, like let's say das Kind, the kid. Okay, so es arbeitet. It works. The accusative doesn't change. Der Mann trifft es. The man meets it. But the dative case changes. Changes to ihm. Der Mann hilft ihm. The man helps him. Well, let's say him. She in nominative is sie. Sie arbeitet. She works. The accusative doesn't change. Der Mann trifft sie. The man meets her. But the dative case changes to ihr. Der Mann hilft ihr. The man helps her. So now let's see what happens for the first person plural. The nominative here is wir, we. Wir arbeiten, we work. The accusative changes to uns. Der Mann trifft uns. The man meets us. And the dative pronoun is the same like in accusative. Der Mann hilft uns. The man helps us. In the second person plural, the pronoun in the nominative case is ihr. Ihr arbeitet. You all work. Der accusative is euch. Der Mann trifft euch. The man meets you all. And the dative case is again euch. Der Mann hilft euch. The man helps you all. And the third person plural is in nominative sie, they. Sie arbeiten. They work. The accusative doesn't change. Der Mann trifft sie. The man meets them. But the dative changes to ihnen. Der Mann hilft ihnen. The man helps them. But we must not forget that in German there is also the formal way to talk to someone. And here does not matter whether I speak directly to one person or to several persons. So the nominative is Sie and always capitalized. Sie arbeiten. You, formal, work. The accusative doesn't change. Der Mann trifft sie. The man meets you, the formal way. But the dative changes to ihnen. And it is as well capitalized. Der Mann hilft ihnen. The man helps you, formal. So, those are our pronouns in the different cases. And native speakers use pronouns everywhere they can. So, to just shorten the sentence and to make them faster. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you don't miss anything. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy and thank you very much for watching.